Want to significantly boost your career prospects without spending a dime? Today, we're diving into how you can unlock valuable skills by completing free certification courses offered by Infosys. This is a fantastic opportunity to learn in-demand topics and gain practical experience, all at no cost to you. Our first step, head over to the Infosys Springboard website. You can easily find it by searching on Google or your preferred search engine. Once you are on the homepage, make sure to register with your details. The site is filled with tons of courses covering many different topics from data science, cloud computing, and software engineering. There's something to help everyone upskill, no matter where you are in your career. Now, select the course you wish to enroll in, and follow the on-screen prompts like read the description, go through the course material at your own pace, and complete the assessments. The best part: many courses incorporate hands-on exercises, allowing you to apply what you're learning and making it the practical experience. After finishing a course, you'll typically receive a certificate of completion. This is solid proof of your new skills that you can add to your resume or professional profiles like LinkedIn. Completing these certifications can be a game changer. They demonstrate your commitment to both personal and professional growth to potential employers, giving you a significant edge in the job market. They can also help you advance in your current role by showcasing your ability to adapt and grow to new and changing technologies. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the Infosys Springboard courses today and watch your career take off. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials.